Hello dear viewer, subscribers and loved ones. Thank you for joining in. Hope you all are well and doing fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the today's new episode, which is from the house of Italian motorcycle brand Ducati. Next Gen Full Throttle, the fastest look in the city. Here is the new Full Throttle. Future comes Full Throttle. The next generation of Scrambler Full Throttle is here. Digitally creative, technologically enjoyable, with the fastest look in the city. Meet the sporty side of the next general Scrambler. Key, throttle, go. The racing mode kicks in with the sump guard, lower handlebar, shorter front fender, no rear fender and the red wheel tags that bring out the true tracker character. The riding position, thanks to a lower handlebar than the Scrambler icon, becomes sportier. The sprinter attitude is perfectly confirmed by the Termagnoni homologated silencer. Aesthetics emphasized by the dedicated livery in red GP19, dark stealth colors, a sharp saddle graphic and the fancy new side panels showing the iconic number 62. Enjoy a sportier riding position with a lower handlebar than the Scrambler icon. The Full Throttle becomes more agile, weighing in at 8.8 pounds lighter than the old generation thanks to a new frame, new swing arm, and lighter engine. The brand new flatter seat, 31 in, is more comfortable for both rider and passenger. Eye-catching 4.3 inches TFT display, featured in a dashboard that maintains an unmistakable modern classic look. The 6-speed gearbox on the new Scrambler Full Throttle now comes with quick shift up, down as standard. The next generation Scrambler is Ducati multimedia system ready. Connect your phone to the bike to manage different apps via the handlebar controls. The new Scrambler lights up the streets with a distinctive full LED lighting system, DRL, low beam, high beam, brake light and turn indicators. The cornering ABS reduces the risk of crashing under emergency braking when the bike is leaning, increasing safety in critical conditions. Adjustable at 4 levels of intervention that are already calibrated and can be turned off. The introduction of the ride-by-wire allows to have 2 riding modes, road and wet. The second one, specifically tuned for riding on wet asphalt. Engine gets a displacement of 803 cc twin, desmodromic distribution, 2 valves per cylinder, air-cooled, electronic fuel injection, 50 mm throttle body with ride-by-wire system, mated to a 6-speed gearbox with Ducati quick shift up, down nestled inside a steel tubular trellis frame. It dishes out maximum power of 73 horsepower, 53.6 kilowatts at 8,250 revolutions per minute and maximum torque of 48.1 pound-feet, 65.2 Newton-meters at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Exhaust system: a Termagnoni stainless steel muffler with catalytic converter and 2 lambda probes with aluminium tailpipes. Hydraulically controlled slipper and self-servo wet multiplate clutch. Front suspension are upside-down Keba 41 mm fork. Front tire profile are Pirelli MT60 RS 110 80ths R18. Rear suspension is handled by Keba rear shock, preload adjustable. Rear tire profile are Pirelli MT60 RS 180 55ths R17. Front brake gets a diameter of 330 mm disc with radial 4-piston caliper along with Boss cornering ABS as standard equipment. Rear brake is a 245 mm single disc, 1-piston floating caliper with Boss cornering ABS as standard equipment. Instrumentation is being provided with 4.3 inches TFT color display. Dry weight is around 170 kilograms. Curb weight is 185 kilograms. Seat height is 795 mm and 810 mm with high seat accessory, 780 mm with low seat accessory. Fuel tank capacity is 13.5 liters. Safety equipment, riding mode, power mode, ABS cornering, Ducati traction control, daytime running light. Standard equipment, 4.3 inches TFT color display, ride-by-wire, full LED lighting system, LED turn indicators, USB socket under the seat, variable section low handlebar, Termagnoni muffler, Ducati quick shift, Ducati performance LED turn indicators, sporty front mudguard, sump guard, side number plates, sporty tail, dedicated seat, dedicated livery. Also ready for Ducati multimedia system. Warranty is 24 months unlimited mileage. Maintenance service intervals at 12,000 kilometers, 7,500 miles, 12 months. Valve clearance adjustment at 12,000 kilometers, 7,500 miles. Hope you all enjoyed such content. If it delivers or if you found it useful or informative, then please do give us a like, share and do subscribe so you would be notified for the future contents. Thank you.